Jaeger-LeCoultre. 1833, the Vallée de Joux, a valley so remote its winters last 6 months. Antoine LeCoultre opens a workshop to make watchmaking possible. In 1844, the millionometer, the first instrument capable of measuring a single micron, 1/1,000,000th of a meter, the standard every manufacturer after him will have to meet. In 1847, the keyless crown, a mechanism now found in every mechanical watch. In 1903, Parisian engineer Edmond Jaeger challenges Swiss manufacturers to build an ultra-thin movement of his own design. Antoine's grandson, Jacques-David, rides 20 kilometers on a bicycle to find a telephone and accept. By 1907, the world's thinnest pocket watch was created. 1928, the Atmos clock, powered by a single degree of temperature change. 2 days of power from air. 1931, polo players in colonial India keep smashing their crystals mid-match. A case that flips came to solve this. The reverser was born. Patent FR 712868, still in production today. 1937, the two names merge. Jaeger-LeCoultre. 1938, caliber 101, world's smallest mechanical movement. 98 parts under a gram. 15 years later, Queen Elizabeth II wore one at her coronation. 1958, the USS Nautilus, the world's first nuclear submarine, attempts a submerged crossing of the North Pole, never done before. Magnetic fields render standard watches useless. JLC builds the geophysic, shielded against 600 Gauss. For decades, their movements powered the dials of Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, Audemars Piguet, Cartier, and many others. The greatest names in horology were in part running on LeCoultre calibers, and most of the owners never knew. Over 1,400 different unique movements were developed, more than any other manufacturer has ever done. This brings us to the end of Jaeger-LeCoultre in 100 seconds. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.